Now we study the basic fundamentals of strength of materials. In this lecture, we study the first is load. What is load? Anything we applied external on the body, that is known as load. Okay. The classification of load. First is according to the direction. Second is according to the area of application. Third is according to time of application. Now first is according to the direction. We can classify two types. First is normal, second is transverse. Okay, normal can be, after that, two types. First is axial, second is eccentric, right? And eccentric axial also two types. First is tensile, second is compressive. Now transverse are two types. The first is shear and second is eccentric shear. And eccentric shear is also tensile types of force, right? We study the first type of according to the direction, that is normal. So this is the normal load of on the beam. This is the normal to the axis and perpendicular to the plane, right? Second is transverse, that is parallel to the plane. So this is the plane and this is the parallel force to the plane, that is known as transverse direction. The third is normal axis. Normal axis means it is the respect to the axis. We can see this diagram, that is so normal axial force, and this is the normal axial tensile load. Tensile load is the tension force. This is the tension force on the body, so this is known as normal axial tensile force, and this is the normal axial compressive load. Okay, and this is the normal eccentric tensile load. Eccentric means outer surface of the body, so this type of load is known as normal eccentric compressive load. Okay, and load is also two types, that is shear transverse and eccentric shear transverse, right? So we can see this diagram. This is the shear force and this is the eccentricity and eccentric load. Okay, we solve this by the example. This is the diagram and we find out the load on the every column. The first is AB, BC and CD. Okay, now first is CD. We can assume CD this type and load is this. So this is the normal axial tensile load, short में NATL. Okay, now column BC this type and load is this type. So this is eccentric transverse load. And now AB is the this column. This is the normal eccentric axial compressive load. Okay, and we solve this example. The column is CD, AB and BC. So you can understand these figures and calculate the load types of every column. Okay guys, thank you.